filming guy. Hold on. Get that angle back.
I was filming it with
Get that angle back.
Yeah. I'm going vlog style, dog. Come on, man. Give me some entertainment, bro.
Yeah, no entertainment for you. I'm just talking about working out and bikes and shit.
Maybe there's workout concrete enthusiasts.
Concrete is a workout. Look at me. Fucking soap.
Don't stare directly at the camera. That's fucking filming 101, dude.
No, that's acting 101. Dude.
Acting 101.
What if you're trying to do like a show like The Office, where they like...
Unless you do a show like The Office.
Unironically.
Which would be funny, yeah, like...
Alright, I'm gonna go help Zach mix. God, no. God, really. Alright, let me film. Let me be the film guy. Let me be the film guy, huh?
Get some good fucking action shots.
Oh, I got you. I got the stance and everything. Yeah, natural. This guy is a camera. Get him out on right now, so he's going over the video? Yeah. You're gonna pick up some shots, right? Yeah, I feel important. This is what you feel like? No wonder he does this. It doesn't work. Oh, wait. Fucking losers.
Don't get punished to this guy that doesn't know how to pump water in. This guy started off with 2.5 quarts for a full bag. Makes me sick.
Who let Zach mix? I literally got the mixture that.
Zach's mixing the concrete. Guy doesn't know water ratio's got it all over my leg and foot, all inside my shoe. It's a great way to start off the night. I guess that's concrete life then. What'd he say?
You're a dumbass.
I put too much water, he said?
His words verbatim.
Bro, he had such little water, the bucket was spinning as he was turning the mixer. Everybody places blame around here, yeah? Nobody can take accountability. Nobody can take accountability around here, huh?
I take accountability, but I don't fuck up.
No, you don't. There you go, Zach. Get some film, huh? Not just of his arm.
No, I'm not the film guy.
Nice eye. Nice eye. Up. Don't worry, Drew. That's got it. Don't worry, Zach. What's it doing? Don't worry, Zach.
It's setting up my shop. What's that?
Nothing, you know?
You don't got nothing for our office stuff.
I'm just, you know, I got
Concrete
nothing, you know? What do you want me to say?
Something funny. You're always saying funny shit. Now all of a sudden you fucking close up like a clam, dude.
Yeah, I fucking... Dude, I got that bitch full blast, full leak. You know? I'm gonna have to just go watch
Hope this doesn't go on to our substrate.
I'm gonna have to fucking watch a couple episodes of The Office, you know?
You just say funny stuff, and every once in a while, like, you go like this, Zach. You say, like, you know, you just pretend it's not there, and you're saying funny shit, and you just go. Is any of that making sense?
Yeah.
Good. Glad.
We gotta get some blinds to set up behind us.
Why some blinds?
Because they're always standing in front of blinds watching.
Oh, yeah. My bad, Zach. I was late on that.
Yeah.
I have an open one in the bed of the truck.
Oh, is there?
Just open that one. We'll get that one.
I didn't even look in the bed because I figured that you wouldn't, you know what I'm saying?
No, I don't.
That you wouldn't have put open one in the truck bed.
No, I don't know what you're saying, Drew. Continue.
I just did. Continue.
What one's the shitty one?
I don't know. There's one that like unscrews itself as you're rolling. It's a real pain in the ass. All right, Zach, I need the blue drill. It's in the back of the truck. Perfect timing, Bruce. I need this. And since we're here, might as well grab this stuff. Mixing up the tinted acrylic sealer. First coat gets cut beside me.
guy that does all the work. I was like,
Here I am, bitch. Zach, bitch ass shit talking motherfucker. You should have seen Zach get all scared, babe. Oh my god, he was terrified. He was talking shit. And then he's like, oh, it was just a joke, Bruce.
I thought I was gonna have to whoop your ass for a second. I got that.
Drew fucking-
I got. The funny part is I got all that on film.
Drew needs to go change his undies.
Let's get some action shots, Zach. Some B-roll shots. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. What the hell was that, bro? They call you High Spot Zach, huh?
What?
They call you Puddle Zach. I mean, they must. All the puddles you leave everywhere.
Why are you keeping up with Zach all of a sudden, Drew?
Me and Zach are gonna roll on you.
I think I just shit my pants. I think I just shit my pants. Zach, I think I just shit my pants.
Why?
Did you smell it? There's no wind taking it anywhere. Walk, baking. Don't roll us in, all right? I know you guys are super fast, super strong painters, but leave us a little spot, all right?
Roll it nice and tight, Zach, so it dries faster. You ding dong. Your mama
I guess I gotta give the fucking tutorial. Is that it?
Drew was like, watch out, I want to do it.
Your mama fucking what?
Out of 1 point, man.
Go around, make sure we got all the joints.